You better fill those cheekers up before the rainstorm gets here. We got you a bunch of sunflower seeds. Hey, baby. It's crazy about Rosie. Her mom lived here for 2 years, and we always called her mom Alvin, thinking it was a boy. And then she had these 3 babies this spring, and then the mom drowned in the water. We had a bucket, and the bucket's been there for years, and rainwater was in there, and I guess she fell in and couldn't get out. And the 3 babies, including Rosie, was left alone. And but they've taken care of themselves. It's just been really sad. And she lives way over there. She'll go to the left. There's a rose bush at the front of the house, and that's where Rosie lives. That's where she's taking her sunflower seeds. She'll be back.